Hey guys, Erin here. I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to clean your glassware so you get a great credit when you come back to the store. This beautiful jar is how we want it to come back to us. This is how we don't want it to come back to us because we don't like to do dishes and it takes a lot of time, and we like to give you as much money as we can for each glass. So if you come in with a nice glass like this, you're going to get $2 for this size. If this is clean, you're going to get $1 credit. This size, our medium, you get 50 cents, along with our mason jars. You get 50 cents. So anytime you burn your candles and you're done burning them, the way to clean them is just soap and water. If there's still some wax in the bottom, you just scrape it out with a spoon or something, put it in your garbage, and then clean it out like a regular dish, soap and water. My mom, personally, she will put it in her dishwasher. I sometimes do the same thing, and they come back very, very clean. So we do not take them like this anymore. We only take them like this. So if you want to bring back your jars and recycle, we're the place to come. And as soon as you bring it back, we put wicks right in them, like these just came back today, and then I poured them immediately. So we truly recycle them, but we want them back clean. So please clean for us. Thank you.